Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening Gmail and focusing on the search bar because archive items don't appear in inbox. Type in all plus a sender, subject, or keyword to surface archived messages. Once done, press enter and scan results. Make sure to remove filters like is, spam, which hide messages. You do this because archive simply removes the inbox label, not the message, so searching all mail is the fastest first step. Once you have broad results, refine with operators to find the exact archived email. For example, use in all from Alice at example. Subject, invoice, or add older than 1Y to shrink the list. This reduces manual scrolling. When you find the message, open it to confirm content and labels, because archived mail may still have important labels applied. Make sure to inspect the conversation thread. Sometimes only one message is archived, while others remain in inbox. To return an archived email to inbox, select it and click Move to Inbox or add the inbox label. That's the action that restores visibility. If you can't find it, check all mail, trash, and spam, and review filters or forwarding rules that might auto-archive. If problems persist, clear cache, try Gmail in a different browser or the mobile app, and rerun your search. This helps reveal messages hidden by sync issues, caching, or a misapplied filter, and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.